All right, let's talk about a procedure that's literally saving lives every single day.
Picture this, a clot in your brain. Doctors can now go in and just pull it out.
It's called mechanical thrombectomy. So, what's the problem it's designed to fix?
Well, it all starts with something called an ischemic stroke, basically a major blockage.
And get this type of blockage is responsible for almost all strokes. It's super common.
When that blood flow stops, brain cells start dying instantly. Every single minute counts.
But here's where things get interesting. Let's bust a huge myth about strokes.
The truth is, damage can actually be reversed, but only if you act incredibly fast.
And that's where this amazing procedure comes in. So, what is it exactly?
Instead of trying to dissolve the clot with drugs, doctors go in and physically pull it out.
Yeah, think of it like a plumber for your brain's arteries. Unclog the pipe, restore the flow.
So how does it work? Well, it's an incredibly precise 4-step mission. Check it out.
Okay, but what's the time window here? That's the million-dollar question, right?
Believe it or not, in some cases, doctors have up to 24 hours to work.
But, and this is a big but, the sooner, the better, always. Every single minute matters.
So how do you spot a stroke fast? Easy. Just remember the acronym F.A.S.T.
Seriously, do not wait. Don't try to fix it at home. Get to a hospital immediately.
Now, it's not for everyone. Doctors have to check for a few key things first.
But when it works, the results are incredible. People walking and talking who might not have otherwise.
Of course, the procedure is just the beginning. Recovery is a whole journey in itself.
So, what's the one thing to take away from all this? Simple. Act fast.
Go ahead and share this explainer. You never know whose life you might save with it.
Because when it comes to a stroke, you have to remember, time lost is brain lost.